everyone, let's learn bugs, insects and honeybees. Mosquito, caterpillar, centipede, slug, ladybug or ladybird, spider, caterpillar, millipede, grasshopper, slug, bee, ladybug or ladybird, scorpion, butterfly, beetle, snail, fly, cockroach, locust, scorpion, dragonfly, bee, wasp, spider, beetle, woodlouse, millipede, butterfly, ladybug or ladybird, earthworm, praying mantis, caterpillar, cranefly, stick insect, centipede, ant, ladybug or ladybird? Can you remember all that? Ladybug, ant, centipede, stick insect, cranefly, caterpillar, praying mantis, earthworm, ladybug, butterfly, millipede, woodlouse, beetle, spider, wasp, bee, dragonfly, scorpion, locust, cockroach, fly, snail, beetle, butterfly, scorpion, ladybug, bee, slug, grasshopper, millipede, caterpillar, spider, ladybug, slug, centipede, caterpillar, mosquito, phew.